I have been purchasing a lot of G-Shocks every single month. I probably make this mail unboxing contents a thing on the channel. Regardless, this video is indeed sponsored by buyee.com. They are the site where I purchased this G-Shock watch, all of them in here. Technically, it's only 2 G-Shock watch, which I already mentioned a couple times before if you watch my previous videos. So this will be the price. Paid 9,480 and 34,000 Japanese yen. It took them a while to arrive, and I had to go through some custom inspection, of course. And while at it, I already open up and have a look what's inside. So I'm just doing this thing again just to show to you guys the experience if you are thinking about purchasing any G-Shock watch from this website, buyee.jp, not .com. Let me show you guys why I like purchasing G-Shock watch or anything out from Japan through buyee.jp. First thing is that it feels like as if you're living in Japan. If you watch all of my older videos, probably like 2 to 3 years back, you'll see that most of the parcel that arrived for mail unboxing will came in this box with all this Japan local postage label. So we got 2 boxes over here for 2 different G-Shock watch. I believe this is from, I can't recall the actual sellers, but most of them from, where's the Yale Japan auction. So I already opened it up from the bottom. If you buy your stuff from Buyee, they won't repack your parcel at all. What they'll do is that they use the box as it is when it arrives, and then they just repack all of this on a bigger box. Meaning, the contents in here is undisturbed at all. They didn't open up the box at all. They didn't check in there. I mean, you could request them to check what's inside, but they didn't do it. And meaning, when the parcel actually arrives on your hand, it feels like you're living in Japan, because this is how it's gonna feel like if you live in Japan. Like literally, I've experienced this once before, and I'm telling you guys, totally worth it for the fees of only 5%. Totally worth it. Sometimes, not sometimes, they oftenly give 0% purchasing fees, and I gotta say that's nothing beats that. Nothing beats that. Okay. Really large box filling the entire frame, but we're just gonna have a look at a 2 small box. And I think I know this one already. This is the GG-B100. Okay. This thing is a little bit heavy. Regardless, let's open it up. This is just some of my first impression video, I would say, and I'll film a separate video just to show you guys the proper review video. And first impression, I gotta say I'm quite disappointed by this, because this is a Master of G Mudmaster quad sensor model, and it didn't came in a Master of G box. I don't know why they do this. This watch, in my opinion, is much more superior in comparison to every Master of G models at that price range, yet they only gives us this regular box. No complaint, the watch is still awesome, the watch is still great, but the experience aren't the same as unboxing in one of this. But I would speculate, because since they make the watch incredibly great, well, as far as first impression goes, they're gonna need to cut the cost somewhere, or should I say balance it out a little bit, you know. This is for the Mudmaster. I picked out the all black version based from your vote. If you guys new here, or if you guys missed it out, I create a poll that everybody could vote on which G-Shock watch should I buy first, and I decided to get the all black version because most people vote for this colorway. Although in my personal taste, I would pick a different one, but you know what, I think I'm liking it so far. It looks really good, it looks really simple, it fits very well to the original theme or the original idea of a Mudmaster to be used, to be a little bit more stealthy and all those. Okay, this is the GA140, the purple. Oh my goodness, it's matte purple now. I was expecting to see something of sort of matte dial or gloss finish. Okay, this is great. This is great. I don't think I have ever owned not a G-Shock one at all that came in matte purple like this one. It looks good. So far, it looks really, really good. And oh, hey, it's been a while. Alright, this is how the GA140 looks like. More review video will be made soon. This is the GG-B100, and holy, I was expecting something a little bit more lighter in weight, but it is pretty, it has the hefty feel to it, almost like this dual sensor or the triple sensor Mudmaster. So we got all 3 right now. Okay, I'm not gonna give up too much information. Let's conclude this video right away. Thank you very much for watching. Check out buyee.com. Buyee.jp link will be available in the description box below if you want to buy anything at all from Japan, especially news, gshock, watch like this. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. This is gshock, and